Thank you. So I have two questions. One, this isn't my first physical experience. I've done this before. And my question is, when I was born back in 1966, there was a lot fewer people on the planet. Now there's 6.5 billion. Where are all these spirits or souls, if you will, coming from?
Heavenly closets everywhere. We talked earlier about your clumps on chairs, and we know it's hard from your physical perspective because you tend to assume that because you are individual where you can see yourselves, that there must be individual spirits, and so there is a clump of non-physical assigned to a clump of flesh, and it is really not that way at all. It is a stream of consciousness that projects itself endlessly into the multifaceted physical environment that is you. So it is even possible, we'll stretch your thoughts still further, that the inner being that you might identify as a clump that is sort of assigned to you can be expressing in more than one physical being even at the same time. That's what you call soulmates or twin flames. So non-physical consciousness is fluid and flexible. In the same way that here you are in your body and you can be an athlete, you can be an accountant, you can be a philosopher, you can be interested in gardening, you can be all of those things. Even though you are seen as singular, you are multifaceted. And so in a similar way, analogies are never perfect. The non-physical energy stream from which you come is as multifaceted as its interest in having experience. Also, your Earth is not at its highest point of population. That fluctuates depending upon exposure and experience and desire and interest. There are a lot of variables about that.